Hello viewers, how are you? Welcome to Elimu TV, the #1 station where you watch and learn. And today I'll be taking you through Biology Form 3. Our topic today is growth and development. Our subtopic is growth, and this is lesson 25. I'm your tutor, Madam Sandra Awino. Stay tuned. By the end of the lesson, you'll be able to, #1, define the terms growth and development, and #2, outline the stages of growth. We are going to start with definition. The first word we are going to define is growth. What is growth? Growth is the permanent increase in size and mass. The permanent increase in size and mass of an organism is called growth, while development is the permanent change in the complexity of an organism. Permanent change in the complexity of an organism. So there's a difference between growth and development. Growth is the permanent increase in size and mass, and there are various stages in growth. The first one is the cell division. The first one is what? Cell division. So in cell division, this is whereby a cell increases in number due to division, either mitotically or meiotically. So in mitosis, one cell divides and becomes two cells become 4. Are we together? So in cell division, a cell increases in number due to either mitotic division or meiosis. And then we go to cell elongation. Cell elongation or cell expansion. Cell elongation leads to enlargement and increase in volume in the size of an organism. So cell elongation leads to what? Enlargement and increase in the volume of an organism. The last one is cell assimilation. Cell assimilation. This is whereby organisms incorporate nutrients in their cells and hence increasing in mass. Organisms incorporate nutrients and hence increasing in mass. You can see a cleavage in a fertilized chordate egg. For example, let's see figure A. Figure A represents an ovum. Do you see A? Yes, look at A, dear. A represents what? An ovum. And then in B, you can see a sperm penetrating the ovum. The process of fertilization want to take place. So in figure C, we have two-celled stage. So the figure B, the fertilized egg in B has divided mitotically to form 2 cells. And then the 2 cells divide mitotically to form 4 cells. Finally, the 4 cells divide mitotically to form 8 cells. So in the end, that one is called morula. And then we go to F. Finally, it becomes a blastula, a blastocyst. So blastocyst is implanted in the womb. Are we together? So implantation is whereby the blastocyst is implanted on the womb. Are we together? So that's what happens during growth and development. So we've come to the end of our lesson. And I have an assignment for you. #1, state the 2 major difference between growth and development. State the 2 major difference between growth and development. I hope you remember that growth only leads to what? Increase in size and mass, but development leads to a change in the complexity, complexity. An organism can develop without increasing in size, without increasing in mass. Are we together? An organism can develop without increasing in size and increasing in mass. For example, if a plant produces flowers, it has developed. Are we together? But if it has increased in size and mass, it has grown. For this and more, my dear, in reference, you can go and study. In reference, you can go and study KLB Secondary Biology Student Book 3, that is the 5th edition. You can study Secondary Biology Student Book 3. For this and more, please contact us. Our SMS number is 0723 144 259 on YouTube, on Elimu TV, Facebook, Elimu TV, and finally on Twitter, you can get us at Elimu TV _KE.